Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wise app. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will search about the application of Wise and you will enter here. Then in this page you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for